What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. The SPY didn't really do anything this week. We can see that there was a lot of chop. It didn't really move too much, but we had an okay week nonetheless. We're going to be going over the swings, the premium selling, and then the hybrid bot plays. So let's get right into it. So here are all of the swings right here. I'm going to scroll through them real quick. Here are all of the swings for everyone. This week was okay. It wasn't like amazing for the swings, but it wasn't a bad week. QQQ and SPY puts did not pay off as they were hedges. But the Zoom play is popping. It just looks great overall. We already sold half of it, but the setup just looks amazing. And they have earnings soon, so that setup is definitely looking pretty interesting. And in the past, Zoom does like to pop on earnings, so overall, that play has just been amazing, and we'll see what happens with it for the remaining half, I should say, for next week. Jets is doing all right, and yeah. So here's all the plays. Some of the plays just need more time, like Zoom. Palantir was popping off a lot on Friday. At one point, the leap that we picked up a while ago was in the green, which was awesome. A great recovery, but like plays like Zoom, Palantir, Airbnb, Jets. They just need more time, and overall, they're for the most part they're trending in the right direction. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna hold on to them. And then if we get into the theta plays, premium selling has just been golden lately. Like just in general, here are all of the premium selling plays, and the best part about premium selling is like the odds are in your favor and it's very predictable. Like it's hard to find any strategy that has a chart that looks like this, but overall that's been golden. Still, here are all the plays for that. There weren't too many plays this week with premium selling, but overall it's still been really good. And then if we get into the hybrid bot, this bot has been on fire. It had one bad call out this week, but the rest were really solid. Like if we start on Monday, hit highs of 81%. Tuesday was the bad one with AAL. Wednesday, 35% pop. Thursday, 49% pop, and then Friday, a 15.6% pop, which is really awesome. And they're all intraday, so it's not like 15% over 2 or 3 days. Like it's all in a matter of most of the time an hour or less. But yeah, the hybrid bot has been on fire, and it's going to continue to learn and adapt just like all other algorithms. But overall, it's been doing very well. It's not perfect, no software is, but for the most part, it's been very well. Premium selling's been pretty good, and even though the SPY didn't really move too much during the week, some of the other recovery plays did have a big pop back up. Like Zoom, it uptrended very nicely throughout the week, and it actually broke out on Friday, which was awesome to see, and it showed a lot of strength. And even when it fell off on Thursday, it came right back up, and the buyers came right back in, and it was just really solid play overall. Palantir had in a $111 million deal they won, and that really sent their stock up on Friday. They couldn't hold those levels, but overall, it was just a good momentum flowing into the company, and I am a fan of them for the long term, and the long-term options we did pick up. They have a lot of time, so I'm not really worried about them. Airbnb had an amazing day on Thursday. It couldn't quite hold the levels on Friday, but it's definitely not looking bad at all. It bounced off that 140 support very well. But yeah, those are the main plays. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about the program, you can click the first link in the description down below. But other than that, have an amazing weekend.